David Licauco update. Yung congrats kay David. An Anak TV male na Makabata Star Awardees. And ito yung video ni David sa awards. Congrats.
Good morning everyone. Thank you Anak TV for this award. Maraming salamat. Thank you to JA for believing in me and for the kids out there, for future leaders. Be big and don't let anything or anyone stop you from chasing your dreams. And be nice to everyone. Thank you.
Yun. Congrats kay David. Ayan pa yung mga picture ni David kasama niya sa stage. Yung nakatanggap din ng awards. Ayan, pinagkaguluhan din si David dyan ng mga fans niya. Ang daming gusto magpa-picture. Ayan, ganyan kabait si David sa mga fans. Ayan, biglang dumaan. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more update. This is Richard Action Live. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.